All right, Forex market, ladies and gentlemen. Second analysis of the day. We owe you one on the dollar Canadian. Just before the weekend, I was hyping up the dollar Canadian, and I promised to come back as early as next week, which is today. So here we are. Dollar Canadian, guys, we're out. Well, I guess I'm gonna start from the finish. We're out. All right, we got out literally an hour ago. We decided to close out our bearish campaign here. We did reach the target. The target was 26.24 when we were setting up this bearish campaign, and I specifically mentioned that we're going to be aiming at 26.24. And later on, we're going to set up another bearish campaign aiming at 124, right? So we basically broke down the potential move into two separate stages. Now, yeah, technically speaking, stage one is done, right? Just tag that target, just taking that target, and we closed out the position. But to be honest, just before the weekend, we decided to try and chase that 124 in one single shot. So we actually kept the position alive, even though price action was already here at 26.24. In fact, it started to drill through that level, and we thought, well, maybe price action will just go for it all the way, right? So we kept the position alive. I mean, we did take a lot of profit out. We took 70% of the position out. Just kept one trade. And today, looking at the market, looking at the dollar Canadian, we saw that pullback, and that's nothing to mess with, right? That's a serious business. That actually suggests that 26.24 is there to stay. It's pushing back, it's fighting, and price action is clearly having some strong reaction. And at that point, it's just not it doesn't make a lot of sense to try to stick around and bang our head against the wall. It's probably safer, wiser to close out, take the profit, take a step back, maybe stay on the sideline for a while and wait for that clarification signal to come. Once we have that, we can just jump right back in. Of course, we might lose a few pip on the way, but that's the trade-off, right? That's the trade-off. So guys, we're out, right? That's the bottom line, I suppose, but not for long. All right. So the first moment when price action begins to cross below 26.24, we're gonna be matching that up with other correlated assets just to make sure we're on the same page. And then we'll kind of jump right back into it and try to chase 24. So it's going to be interesting, guys. That's about that. Dollar Canadian. We're done with the Forex market for the day. We're going to continue off talking about the cryptocurrency market. So don't go away yet. Cheers.